From extreme supply and demand and design variability to emerging markets of one, to the growing need for rapid innovation, Manufacturing 4.0 can solve many key challenges facing manufacturers today. The fourth industrial revolution is upon us, and we've got to pay attention to the shifts happening in manufacturing. With all the buzzwords surrounding this evolving concept, you might be asking yourself, how can any of this help my business? How would I even get started? That's where we come in. Let me walk you through a recent successful implementation of virtual reality. A client of ours operates a continuous flow process. This process setup took an experienced operator 2 minutes to perform. A new operator took as long as 45 minutes to perform the same process setup and 9 weeks of on-machine training. These setups were as frequent as 10 times in a 12-hour shift, all the while they were pouring good product down the drain. This amounted to a waste cost of $250,000 per month. Additionally, new operators would often leave the company before becoming proficient, resulting in having to start the process all over. Due to expansion, the company planned to bring on 10 new employees a month for the next year. By bringing in virtual reality, the company was able to perform the bulk of onboarding training in a simulation, which, in turn, did two things. One, anticipated training time would be reduced to 15 days, and two, it made employees feel more confident. The simulation allows for a quieter environment where coaching can be heard and understood, and turnover is anticipated to be reduced. The overall savings will be a very conservative $3 million. While many organizations might still be wary of how Manufacturing 4.0 could impact their business, several others are implementing changes and preparing for a future where smart machines improve their business. Contact SCMEP and see what these technologies can do for your business.